Smart, smart, do. We are the children the children of God. Come, come, come. We change our world. We have what it takes to do it smart and make it smart. Welcome to our Smart Do.
Hello children, thank you and welcome back to another exciting episode. This is grade 4, social studies, looking at a subtopic known as the compass. Now, we need to understand what's a compass. So, what's a compass, for example? Now, the definition of a compass, okay? This is an instrument used to show direction, okay? So, it's an instrument used to show direction. So this is an instrument used to show direction. So that's a compass. Now, we are hereby looking at something known as the 4 cardinal points. Okay? So we are looking at something known as cardinal. Which are the 4 main points of compass? 4 main points of a compass. These are the 4 main points of a compass. They're known as the cardinal points. They're the 4 main points of a compass. Now, which are these 4 main points of a compass? Okay? So we have what we call the north. Okay? We have the south. Okay? We have east. Yes? And west. So these are the 4 main points of a compass. Now these points are what we call the cardinal points. I hope you not forget. Now these are the cardinal points of a compass. Now, what is the importance of a compass? It's to show direction. Now, who are the people involved in using a compass? So, people involved. Number 1 is being used by the pilots. Now, for those people who want to do piloting as a course, number 1 important instrument you are required to use is a compass. So a compass is essential in pilots as they take care of the aeroplanes up in the sky. What guides them, what shows them direction is what we call a compass. Okay? Now, it's also used, by the sea people in the sea, ocean. Okay? It's being used in the sea and in the ocean. So it's a very vital, important use. There's an important in using of a compass. Okay? So that is the importance of a compass. Now, let us look at something here. Let us draw the 4 cardinal points of a compass. Okay? I'd like us to draw the 4 cardinal points of a compass. Now, this is the structure of a compass. Okay? This is the way a compass looks like. Now, that's the way a compass looks like. Now, that's the way a compass looks like. Now, let us name together the 4 points. The 4 main points of a compass. Starting with the top. The top, we have what we call the north. Okay? Now, there's a song we created. Or I would say, it's a saying that we make. We say, never eat skuma wiki. So here, never eat skuma wiki. Now, these are the 4 main points of a compass. Now, this is what we call the 4 cardinal points of a compass. Now, this helps us to know the direction, okay? Direction that we are in or where we are. Now, there is something that is very important that we need to understand. The sun always rises in the east. The sun always rises in the east. So sun rises in the east. Okay? The sun always rises in the east. And sets in the west. So there are things that will help you know and guide you and which direction that we are in. For example, as I stand, the sun always rises on that side. So you automatically know that that's our east and sets on this other side. Now, we understand that the sun as it sets on this other side is known as the west. So you can imagine this is east, this is west. Okay? So you understand how easy you're able to understand the points of a compass. Now, let us look at now, we are going to look further on other directions. 4 other more points of a compass. Now, this will be divided into 2. Okay? We have another arrow here. We have another arrow there. Okay? Now, I want you to help me as we name together the other points of our compass. We have the direction between north and east. What direction is that? We have the direction known as northeast. It's known as northeast. What do you take? The point that is at the top or at the bottommost. So as we start here, we don't take the middle. What you do, we take either it's normally at the top or at the bottom. Now, as we start here, the topmost here is north. So we start with north and then take east. We don't start with east, then north. So this direction is not east-north. It's north-east. In a compass, we are either more to the north or more to the south. So you either take north or south. For example, here, we can talk that this direction is southeast because it's more on the north, okay? Other than the south. So we take northeast, forming our northeast. Now, between south and east, or between east and south, what direction is this? We take it is southeast. Why? Because the direction is more on the south. It's either north or south. We don't start with east or west. We start with north or south. So our direction is south-east. Now, between west and south, is our direction west-south? Is there anything like that? No. Our direction should be south-west. Why? We take between north and south. Which direction is near? South. So we take south and west. So that direction is south-west. Between north and west, is the direction west-north? Is it? No. The direction is north-west. We take either north or south. So it's only north-west direction. Okay? Now, those are the 8 points. Now that's when we have the 8 points of a compass. 8 points of a compass. Can we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Forming the 8 points of a compass. Okay? Now, let us look at something here. I would like us to look at something here very quickly. As we understand all this, we have talked that the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. It's very important. Okay? Now, very quickly, I'll give you one question to think about. J is facing in the direction where the sun sets. In which direction is her back facing? Okay? Now, J is facing where the sun sets. So you need to understand very simply here, very quickly. Now, J is facing. Let us draw just our compass here very quickly as we wind up. So never eat skuma wiki. So J is facing where the sun sets. The sun sets in the west, is it? So J is facing in the west direction. So which side is our back facing? The answer should be east. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day as you think more about it. Thank you.